How to schedule post on TikTok for free. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you step by step that how you can schedule a post on TikTok for free. So let's dive in. So for that you have to use your browser. First open your browser. I'm using Chrome, and then search for TikTok. You can use any browser and search for TikTok. And now you have to just open TikTok in your web browser and then click these three dots. Once you click these three dots, just scroll down and click request desktop site, and it's going to open the desktop version. And now you just have to rotate your screen to the left side, and then you'll be able to see this upload button and click it. And once you click this button, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to just select a video and upload it. Once you upload the video, if you scroll down, you'll see this schedule this video option. Just toggle it on. And now you have to choose a date and time, and then just choose the description, the cover and all, and then click schedule. And that's how you schedule a video on TikTok for free. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.